Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 26th April 2024. In this video I will teach you 24 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. World Intellectual Property Day is marked every year on.
Answer is 26th April. World Intellectual Property Day is observed globally on 26th April every year. It is also known as World IP Day. Theme 2024 is IP and the SDGs, building our common future with innovation and creativity. It was established by the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, in 2002, raise awareness of how patents, copyright, trademarks and designs impact on daily life.
Question number 2. India's largest climate clock was unveiled in.
Answer is New Delhi. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, installed and activated India's biggest climate clock at the CSIR headquarters in New Delhi as a part of the Earth Day celebrations. The event signifies CSIR's aim to spread awareness about climate change and to make people energy literate. It was launched in 2015 to provide a measuring stick against which viewers can track climate change mitigation progress.
Question number 3. Who has become the world's largest mobile operator in terms of data traffic?
Answer is Jio. Reliance Jio became the world's largest mobile operator in terms of data traffic, ahead of China Mobile. The total traffic on the Jio network has reached 40.9 exabytes, which is a 35.2% year-on-year increase. Also, Jio has a very strong and wide subscriber base of 481.8 million. Jio has also become the first Indian company to cross the 100,000 rupees crore threshold in pre-tax profits.
Question number 4. Which country appointed Colonel Edison Napio as its first defense advisor to India?
Answer is Papua New Guinea. Recently Papua New Guinea, PNG, has appointed its first defense advisor to India. Papua New Guinea has appointed Colonel Edison Napio to this post. Colonel Edison Napio succeeds Commodore Philip Polevara, PNG's acting Chief of Defense Forces in India. India and Papua New Guinea formalized diplomatic relations in 1976. The two nations enjoy cordial and amicable relations.
Question number 5. As per Passport Affordability Ranking, what is India's rank?
Answer is India's rank second. A recent study has revealed that the Indian passport ranks as the second cheapest passport to obtain worldwide. The UAE passport clinches the top spot as the most affordable passport globally, surpassing all others in terms of both acquisition cost and the number of countries offering visa-free access. Notably, an Indian passport holder can travel to 62 nations visa-free. According to the study, Mexico holds the title for the most expensive passport, followed closely by Australia.
Question number 6. Who won the first medal for India in the 21st U20 Asian Athletics Championship?
Answer is Ritik Rathi. The 21st Asian Under-20 Athletics Championship is being organized by the Asian Athletics Association in association with the UAE Athletics Federation in Dubai from 24th April to 27th April 2024. Deepanshu Sharma of Uttar Pradesh won a gold medal in the men's javelin event on 24th April 2024. On the first day of the championships, Ritik Rathi won India's first medal. He won a silver medal in the men's discus throw event with a best throw of 53.01 meters.
Question number 7. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador for the 9th ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup?
Answer is Usain Bolt. Legendary Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt has been named by the International Cricket Council, ICC, as the ambassador for the 9th ICC Men's T20 World Cup, which will be hosted by the West Indies and USA jointly from 1 to 29 June 2024. Usain Bolt, a keen cricket fan, is a legend in track and field athletics. In 2017, he set the world record in the 100-meter race. He also holds the record for winning 3 gold medals in 3 consecutive Summer Olympics.
Question number 8. India's first all-in-one payment device was launched by.
Answer is BharatPe. BharatPe has launched BharatPe One, India's first all-in-one payment product that integrates POS, point of sale, QR code, and speaker into one device. It is equipped with a high-definition touchscreen display, 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity, and is powered by the latest Android operating system. BharatPe has stated that it is planned to make BharatPe One available in about 100 cities in the first phase and around 450 cities over the next 6 months.
Question number 9. Who has developed India's lightest bulletproof jacket?
Answer is DRDO. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has developed India's lightest bulletproof jacket for protection against 7.62 times 54-hour armor-piercing incendiary (API) ammunition, highest threat level 6 of Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS 17051. The bulletproof jacket was developed by Defense Materials and Stores Research and Development Establishment, DMSRDE, DRDO lab based in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, UP.
Question number 10. How much growth was recorded in India's pharmaceutical exports in the FY 2023-24?
Answer is 9.67%. The country's pharmaceutical exports increased by 9.67% on an annual basis to $27.9 billion in the financial year 2023-24. Earlier, in the financial year 2022-23, the country's pharmaceutical export was $25.4 billion. In the financial year 2023-24, America's share in India's total pharmaceutical exports was more than 31%. Industry experts believe that India's pharmaceutical industry turnover could exceed $130 billion by 2030.
Question number 11. Where did the International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure begin?
Answer is New Delhi. The International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure's 6th edition has begun in New Delhi. The conference's theme is Investing Today for a More Resilient Tomorrow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed the importance of investing in infrastructure that can withstand disasters for a better tomorrow.
Question number 12. Which country will supply India with the S-400 Triumph surface-to-air anti-missile system?
Answer is Russia. In October 2018, India signed a $5.5 billion agreement with Russia for the purchase of 5 units of the S-400 Triumph surface-to-air missile system. Russia started delivery of the first unit of the missile systems in December 2021. Till date, 3 units have been delivered by the Russians. Russia will supply the remaining 2 units of the S-400 Triumph surface-to-air missile system in the next year. The Indian Air Force has deployed its three S-400 anti-missile units along borders with China and Pakistan.
Question number 13. Which IIT recently unveiled an innovative 3D printed dummy ballot unit?
Answer is IIT Guwahati. The Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation Cell, SVEP, of Kamrup Election District along with the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Guwahati developed a 3D printed dummy ballot unit to enhance voter awareness and engagement. The purpose of creating a 3D printed dummy ballot unit is to educate people, particularly new voters and senior citizens, about the complexities of the voting process and alleviate any fears, concerns or doubts they may have.
Question number 14. Which football club has won the 2023-24 Serie A Football League?
Answer is Inter Milan. Inter Milan, also known as Internazionale Milano, won its 20th Serie A title by beating its arch-rival AC Milan 2-1 at the San Siro Stadium in Milan, Italy on 21 April 2024. In Italy, the professional club football league is called the Serie League. The top professional league is called Serie A, the second-tier league is called Serie B, and the third-tier league is called Serie C. The Serie A is the top Italian professional football league established in 1898.
Question number 15. Who is India's top female player in the ITTF Table Tennis World Rankings?
Answer is Shrija Akula. In the latest ITTF Table Tennis World Rankings released on 23 April 2024, Shrija Akula jumped one place to 38th in the world ranking. With this, Shrija Akula became the top-ranked women's singles table tennis player in India. In this sequence, Shrija Akula left Manika Batra behind. Shrija has performed well so far in 2024. Shrija has managed to win the WTT FIDE Corpus Christi and WTT FIDE Birat titles in January and March respectively.
Question number 16. Who has become first bank to successfully execute the RBI's programmable CBDC pilot?
Answer is IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank Limited became the first bank to successfully execute the Reserve Bank of India's RBI Programmable Central Bank Digital Currency CBDC pilot to compensate farmers for carbon credits. This pilot project is executed in collaboration with Circularity Innovation Hub India Private Limited (CIH) as an alternate form of CBDC. Central Bank Digital Currency CBDC pilot project focuses on programming end use of funds disbursed to farmers for carbon credit generation.
Question number 17. Who has launched the UPI switch in partnership with Airtel Payments Bank?
Answer is Razorpay. On 23 April 2024, Razorpay Software Private Limited, online instant payment company, launched its own unified payments interface, UPI, infrastructure with UPI Switch, a next-generation cloud-based innovation, in partnership with Airtel Payments Bank. UPI Switch is powered by technology service providers, TSPs, for banks. UPI Switch is designed to handle up to 10,000 transactions per second at any given time.
Question number 18. Who has launched $1.5 billion EV fleet financing platform Vertello in India?
Answer is Macquarie. Macquarie Asset Management, part of Australia's diversified financial giant Macquarie Group, has launched an electric vehicle, EV, financing and end-to-end solution platform, Vertello. Vertello pledges a substantial $1.5 billion investment aimed at electrifying fleets of buses and cars in India. The company aims to fast-track the shift to EVs and will support the EV ecosystem by offering leasing and financing.
Question number 19. Which Bangladeshi has received the Padma Shri Award in 2024?
Answer is Rajwana Chaudhary. Renowned Bangladeshi singer Rajwana Chaudhary Banya received the prestigious Padma Shri Award on 22 April 2024. President of India Draupadi Murmu presented the Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri Awards for the year 2024 at the civil investiture ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Rajwana Chaudhary Banya received the award for her contribution in the field of art.
Question number 20. Who has won the Best Actor award at the 21st Irish Film and Television Awards 2024?
Answer is Cillian Murphy. The Oscar-nabbing success of Christopher Nolan's Best Picture winner, Cillian Murphy emerged victorious once again at the 21st Annual Irish Film and Television Awards, IFTAs, held in Dublin. The actor secured the coveted Best Actor award for his portrayal of the titular American physicist J. Robert Oppenheimer, which swept up a majority of the award season last year.
Question number 21. Who has named as India's best private hospital as per Newsweek's 2024 list?
Answer is Medanta Gurugram. Medanta the Medicity, Gurugram operated by Global Health Limited has once again been named as the best private hospital in India by the prestigious Newsweek World's Best Hospitals 2024 rankings. This is the fifth consecutive year that Medanta has achieved the status as the best private hospital in India. Medanta also remains the only private hospital from India to feature in the top 250 hospitals of the world.
Question number 22. Prabowo Subianto has been declared as the new president of.
Answer is Indonesia. Indonesia's Electoral Commission has officially declared Prabowo Subianto as the president-elect after the country's highest court rejected challenges to his landslide victory lodged by two losing presidential candidates. Subianto, currently serving as the defense minister, secured 58.6% of the votes. He will take charge on 20th October 2024 to replacing Joko Widodo.
Question number 23. Which country has passed the Safety of Rwanda, Asylum and Immigration Bill?
Answer is United Kingdom. The United Kingdom has passed the Safety of Rwanda, Asylum and Immigration Bill, permitting the deportation of some asylum seekers to Rwanda to deter illegal entry via small boats. Proposed by former Prime Minister Boris Johnson in 2022, the bill follows a treaty enhancing migrant protections. Flights deporting migrants for processing in Rwanda are set to commence in 10 to 12 weeks, marking a significant step in UK immigration policy.
Question number 24. Which country is spearheading the Sustainable Finance for Tiger Landscapes Conference?
Answer is Bhutan. On Earth Day 2024, Bhutan is spearheading the Sustainable Finance for Tiger Landscapes Conference. With a goal of mobilizing $1 billion over a decade, the conference aims to preserve tiger habitats critical for biodiversity and supporting millions of people. Under the patronage of Bhutan's Queen Jetsun Pema Wangchuk, the conference, co-organized by the Royal Government of Bhutan and the Tiger Conservation Coalition, will spotlight sustainable finance, UN's global biodiversity framework. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number 9700200378.